Welcome back, guys, to Mathematical Mindset. So right here, guys, we have an Olympiad Mathematics question that says the root of x over x is equals to 2. We are to solve for x. And right here, guys, I'm going to make use of two methods to solve this particular problem. So right here, guys, the first method. So the first method on how to solve this type of question. So we have the question to be the root of x over x is equals to 2. First thing, you want to simply cross multiply. So we have this to be the root of x is equals to 2x. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is to square both sides. So square both sides, we have this to be the root of x all square is equals to 2x all square. So this square is going to cancel out the square root. So we have this to be x is equals to 2 square is 4, x square is x square. Okay, so this becomes the equation right here. And we want to simply set this equation to 0. So setting this equation to 0, we have that 4x squared minus x is equals to 0. So the next thing, guys, we want to simply do is to simply factor out x. So factoring out x, we have that x is equal to 4x minus 1, which is equals to 0. So from this, we have that x is equals to 0, or 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So right here, x is equals to 0, or 4x is equals to 0 plus 1. So 4x is equals to 1. So from this, we have that x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 1 over 4. And this was gotten by dividing both sides by 4. So this is going to cancel this, and we have that x is equals to 1 over 4. So for this equation, so this is the first method on how you can easily solve for this kind of equation. Now right here, x is equals to 0 would make the original equation undefined. So at this particular point right here, the valid solution for x is 1 over 4. So this is the valid solution, because x equals to 0 will make this equation to be undefined. Now right here, guys, the second method on how to solve this question. Alright, we have our question to be the root of x over x is equals to 2. So how do we solve this using the second method? So the second method on how to solve this. Now we know that the root of x can be written as x into 1 over 2 of x is equals to 2. Alright, and this can be taken to the power of 1 also. So once we have this right here, all we want to do is to simply apply the law of indices. So apply the law of indices. We have that am over a power n is equals to am minus m. So from this, applying this law to this, we have that x into 1 over 2 minus 1 is equals to 2. Alright, so from this part right here, we have that x 1 over 2 minus 1, the LCM of this is 2. 2 into 2, 1 minus, this is going to give us 1 into 2 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2 is equals to 2. So x, we have this to be negative 1 over 2 is equals to 2. So once we have this right here, we know that x to the power of minus 1 over 2 can also be written as 1 over x into 1 over 2, which is equals to 2. So once we have this right here, the next thing we want to do is to multiply both sides by 2. So multiplying both sides by 2 right here, we have that 1 over x into 1 over 2 times 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. So this is going to cancel out this right here, and we have that 1 over x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 is going to give us 4. So cross multiply right here. So once we cross multiply, we have that 1 is equals to 4x. Now dividing both sides by 4 right here, we have that x is equals to 1 over 4. Hence the solution. So guys, these are the two methods in which you can actually use to solve this question.